sen kameran.
Bigger than you thought. Hey?
Eh?
Bigger fish than you thought.
Yes.
Isompi mitä ajattelin.
Yes, the bigger. Tähän alkoi aika hyvin.
Kyllä.
You having fun?
Yes. Very. Yeah. Good size. Very good size.
No fun at all, hey?
Yes, it is fun.
Boring.
No boring.
I know. I know.
It's good.
I
fun.
never get bored doing this.
It's good size.
Yeah, you're happy?
Yes, very happy man.
How can you not be happy? Eh? How can you not be happy?
Now he's not talking about so much, but normally. Vai mitä Juha?
Yes, this is very big.
Feel good?
Yes, feel very good.
Good.
It's rock, it's okay, maybe. Yeah. Yes, very good. On hyvä. Ensin luulin. I have first time look at it. It's maybe the baby fish, but this is not baby. This is a big one. Good size. Hyvä, että otin sydänlääkkeen.
Ei kannata nyt tuoda.
3 feet long?
Yes. Tony. Din 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 din.
Yeah.
You remember?
I remember. That's a lot of fun, the fishing.
Yes. It's very good.
Pystytkö muu?
Go in the move. Maybe
To the shore?
bank, yeah.
Okay, when we get it tight, we will.
Yeah.
Tired, we will.
Yeah.
Yep.
Voitko mennä tuonne vasemmalle puolelle? Pystytkö liikkuu?
No, mä en tiedä, tää kala päättääkö.
Joo. Sano. Saan täältä paremman kuvan susta. Nyt se oli niin pimeä äsken.
You never know it's him. He's hiding behind the glasses in the house.
Okay, the big fish. Let's go to playing the game.
Have you seen him yet?
No,
How come?
but come now.
Is that? He's
Yeah.
coming now? We will see.
There's the big one.
See you later. Bye.
Goodbye.
Thanks for the dance. It's a pretty crazy sport.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good sport. Nyt mä joudun tuleen sinne.
He seems happy.
Yes.
Well done.
Maybe I think. I hope we have enough
big
photos.
fish.
I take the rest when we see the fish.
It's
warm
good
enough?
size.
Staying warm enough? Okay.
It is a truck, it's okay.
Hmm?
Truck.
Yeah, it's tight.
Yeah.
So you think it's bigger than the last one?
I don't know, but very good fish. Maybe little bit.
It's moving
I'm
very
sorry,
nice.
Jukka.
No
This is a
problem.
very
No
good-
problem. No problem. What is there? Those bubbles.
That's the bubbles, yeah.
Is that fish?
They, yeah, he will
Yeah,
get
it's
tired
that fish.
as he gets more and more tired.
Okay.
Often they blow the bubbles.
Ah, okay.
So
okay.
he is almost done now.
Okay. Okay.
The bald eagle is watching you. Okay, go wide, really wide.
Ah, it's
Way,
there.
way around the back of the boat.
There you go. Keep the rod tip really low in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Good job.
It is
Nice.
good.
Yep, good. Yep.
Yeah. Maybe the going bank because
Well, we will.
Yeah.
We just have to tire him out first. I don't want him to swim
yeah,
around the logs
yeah.
first.
Waiting the first.
First, I gotta see him, and then I
Yeah,
can say,
yes, I
okay,
understand.
that he is almost there. He is. He's a nice fish.
Yes, the big one. Yes, very good size.
That's a good fish. Well done.
Yeah,
Now let's go to the beach.
yeah. This is good size.
Fire in the hole.
Vähän iso. 2 metriä. 90. Kato. Se on hieno. Kato. Saanko kuvata? Poweria on kaveria. Ja moni on kova työteko. Tulee hienoja hauskoja. Ajattelen, meillä on 2 komeata kalaa. Ne on aika lailla samaa, voi olla vähän isompi. Ei pari metriä. Voimataso.
Otin paljon kuvia, on ottanut
Joo.
nyt saada.
Ja tästä tulee kateutta herättää. Tän takia tänne kannattaa lähteä.
Me pojat lähet.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Ready to go. Go.
I'll put it in the sling first, and then you're gonna be able to climb out if you want to.
Yes, maybe they go the water.
Yeah. You both want to go in the water?
No, I think Juha is going.
Juha.
Yeah.
Me.
Okay. Yeah. So what we can do
Maybe
is
you
we can have you
come-
go in the water here.
Yes, maybe.
Yeah, I think so. It's gonna be about
And how many? 1 meter, 2.
yeah, just about the right depth. It's good.
Yeah.
Because we gotta keep them lots of water.
This.
Yeah, put them in there first. Nice fish, eh?
Yeah, nice.
5 feet?
Yeah.
Yeah, like the last one almost. Very similar.
Yeah.
Maybe not quite as big, but close.
Yeah, but very good.
Oh yeah, they're all good.
Yeah.
Nice work.
The same size. Joo, se on koko lailla samalla. Okay.
Isn't that great?
Great.
2 fish as big as you almost in a day? It's not bad.
It is
Yeah, gloves, yeah. We will do that too. You need waders, right?
I've changed.
Do you have waders? No.
It is good fight.
Yeah, of course it's a good fight.
Yeah. And this?
There you go.
Yeah.
This will fit you. Some gloves for you.
If I get the bigger one, the last one, I go to both.
Sure.
Both.
On kyllä hyvä reissu.
That's fine.
Yes. This may be the better. This,
Yeah, you can put on whatever ones you want, and you can go and get a fish. I will do the tagging for it now. While we were waiting. You prefer those? Yeah.
yeah.
They're a little bit bigger, but
Yeah.
you're okay.
Yeah, this is okay.
Those are from my friends from Denmark. Actually, from Sweden.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those are the
Ah, okay. Toi 10 minuuttia
Joo.
meni tossa.
Niin.
Is there a tag?
Yeah, there is a tag. You should know me.
Onko hieno?
Oh, ole hyvä. Onneksi olkoon.
Tehtiin molemmat ihan hyvä.
Tulee hyvä.
200 on tuolta numero.
Mikä?
176.
Yeah,
Ootko menee väärin?
176.
Ah.
Se on koko lailla samanlainen.
Little bit smaller.
Yeah.
Little bit smaller.
But maybe the same size.
Yeah. We can talk about.
66.
Yeah,
A little bit skinnier.
yeah. But good, good
Oh, beautiful.
fighter.
Oh, yeah. They're all good.
Maybe se on joku 60 kilon vähemmän. Missä se oli?
Mikä?
And this one?
Yeah.
It's go when going in there.
Yeah, you can walk out the back. There's a step there.
Yeah, okay. There is a maybe this is maybe
You have to go this side.
maybe this side's a better.
Yeah, I
I'm
think
going
so.
there because there is a maybe the water maybe the 1.5 meter
You want
here.
me to go shallower?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on.
On komea, hyvin tappelit on. Komea kalastaa, siinä on mitsyyksyset molemmat. Se on komea. Okei? Okay? This one. This one.
Wait a little bit more. Okay. Yeah. There. Perfect.
I'm going here.
So the first thing I want you to do is come and stand in behind here.
Yeah. There
Like
is
that,
a
and I
very
get a picture
fish.
from here because it's about this deep here. It's okay. But I'd love to get a picture like this with you in it.
Yeah.
It's a really good shot when he is in the thing and you stand behind it.
Yeah.
Are you okay still?
Yeah.
You can pull the boat to you too a little bit.
Otetaan venettä sinne vähän.
Yeah. The boat there.
I will
And
out
give
there,
it-
but right here first with you in the back.
Yeah.
And then we will get another shot.
Yeah. Ota sillä vaaka.
Joo.
Vaakakuva.
Okay, and a smile.
Very good.
Yeah, that's a great shot.
I'm going.
Yeah, you gonna take him with you?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll get a picture.
Yeah.
I'll be from here,
I'm yeah.
and you're gonna go right there, and you're gonna, but not lift it up.
Yeah,
in the water.
yes, I understand.
So with the boat,
Hold on.
yeah, right in there.
Yeah.
Okay, and then just walk him over there.
Yeah.
And then you can just use the other arm like this, and this, like this.
Yes, I understand.
Good with that? Yeah.
Okei, Jukka, valmis. my friend.
See you later.
It is good. Good shots.
That's a good fish.
Yeah.
Good fish.
Vaikka ei löydä sieltä.
Joo, täältä vois vähän jelppiä.
Maybe you help.
Maybe the Tony helping.
Yeah, yeah. You might find it easier to stand on the back, but you can. There, look at that.
Huh? Oh, very good. Very good.
That's a
Yeah,
good
it's
shot.
very good.
Okay, how do you want me to help you? You want it left or you want
Maybe
me to
the
step on
behind.
there? And like that?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, you okay?
It's okay. Thank you.
Well done, nice fish.
Hienoa homma. Katseltamaan. Onnistuu. Yeah. Hieno.
The pressure is off.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Pressure is off.
Now the next one.
It's never enough.
Not small fish, normal. Normal, very good fights.
Yeah, it was a good fight. Here you go. You get the first hook too.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much.
Always the first one.
Yeah. Okay, you start. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Annapa Juha,
Okei.
anna mun reppu vielä vähän, mä kaivan aurinkolla siis, että lakalle niin.
Oliko hyvä?
Varo mun
I
koukkasi.
can find out the history of your fish too.
Okay.
I will find out where they were first caught. Who caught them? I will find out all the information.
Okay.
Yeah.
From that wish.
Yeah.
Fish.
Yeah.
And sending a photo.
How about the first fish? The first fish?
Yeah.
Fish. Is there a tag too?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That's good. Yeah. Yeah. And both of these fish were tagged about 10 years ago.
Okay.
Which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad
Very
at all.
good.
Not bad. Not bad. No.
Bad at all.
I've had worse fishing days.
Yeah. It's 10 o'clock and now we have already two
The
fish.
big fish
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
See?
That's why you come here. That is why you come here.
60 ja 70